Hey, what's going on? I'm Isaiah with Wood, Brass, and Glass, and I just want to give a quick update tonight for some progress I just finished. So this is, this is a metal cutting bandsaw. I've had this one probably 14, 15 years, if not more. Well, I spent the last 2 months working hard on this one to basically just strip it down to bare metal, sandblasted every component, and then updated everything. Let me give you a walkthrough of what I did. Brand new case, water, or not water, a coolant pump, reservoir, filter, pump is up inside, switch. We have a hydraulic down feed stock, or a stock stop, and upgraded so it has the coolant hose that's positionable, and everything's been painted, correct colors. Down feed stock's really nice. New handles. This is for you can regulate the depth stop here. Everything's brand new. So loving it. The purpose of all this is to cut, of all these upgrades, is to basically cut these rare earth segments I have. They spark like mad, like crazy. And they come in big rods, big long rods I get, and I need to cut them into the discs and then machine them to the precise size on the lathe. So that was all the reasoning for this. Now let me flip it on. And we have the coolant spraying, pretty nice, because you can only cut these with a bandsaw underwater. Now I'm gonna have to make an enclosure for this because it's going everywhere, all over the floor. So that'll be coming up soon. But this awesome tool is done. One more thing I want to show you coming up soon for the SEG version 7 is the new rare earth center core. I just got this one this week. It's all coated with black paint to protect it from oxidizing, but this is it. All these other ones were experimental, but this is one according to law of squares. I got to machine it down on the lathe under coolant so it won't spark or catch fire. But yeah, this is the big deal. So I just want to give an update what's going on here with this, and soon gonna be posting another big video about the stator, what's going on with that, the progress I'm making on it, the basics, and then be doing a video on my Patreon account soon also about magnetizing and the stator specs. So a lot coming up, a lot in the works, but this was the big item I've been putting every evening to, working every evening on this and every spare moment. So now this is complete, I can finally move on to another project. All working towards being able to cut these rods and just preparing to be able to assemble the version 7 SEG. So take care and follow me on the next video. All right, take a look at the next video once it posts, which will be soon. God bless everybody.